Welcome to Cronometer Pro on mobile. Cronometer Pro is built right into the regular Cronometer app, so you can access your clients and your personal account all in one place. To get started on the Clients page, swipe right or left on a client or group to edit or delete. Tap the icons in the top right corner to open your messages or add a new client or client group. Tap on a client to select them and access their account. From there, head to the Diary tab to view their diary data. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen to add food, biometrics, notes, fasts, or exercises on their behalf. From the Discover page, you can view your selected clients' trends over time. The Report tab shows their nutrition report with a customizable date range that can be adjusted by tapping the date at the top of the screen. On the Charts tab, you can view, edit, and create custom charts to better understand your client's data. The Snapshots tab allows you to view or add snapshots, making it easier to track body composition changes over time. On the Dashboard tab, you can see the same dashboard your client sees in their app. From the More page, you can adjust settings for your selected client, including general account settings, targets, fasting, and display settings. On every page in Cronometer Pro on mobile, you'll also find a quick switch menu at the bottom of the screen, so you can move between clients without returning to the client's page. If you'd like to switch back to your personal Gold account, you can do that from the More page using the account switcher at the top of the screen.